Huh? Yeah, fake YouTube. A shared lane.
Take that home. It's so much more friendlier than meals, and I don't know if I'm people my meat.
I have 401. Should be at 400. How many more per TV? people here at work acting like they don't want to be here. Should have stayed their ass home, man.
That's why you cut it off.
Passports. 6.
The big guy. Look at the other one. The one that's been walking around cleaning up. You look at the other Panda Express. He worked at the other Panda Express. He was going to ask us for our family stuff.
That is right, yeah.
I think they done delivered my shit, man. I've been waiting for days for the shit. I think they done delivered it. Yep. Delivered today. That's crazy as fuck.
They got something to do with the drivers. Because for it to say it's on the way. Remember one time I just said said I was the next stop. Because once it get close to the next 9 or 5 stops, it'll let you know, or 5 stops away or the next stop. And I said one morning said I'm the next stop, and all of a sudden it said new delivery arrival time is tomorrow, and I'm like, so it had to deal with the damn driver. The driver, from where they were at, I think they decided they wanted to come all the way my way.
Get us a new air fryer. You gonna get us a new air fryer? I'm looking at something. Air fryer and the toaster. Look at that. There's a lot in there. That's a lot. I don't know what brand the one we got now.
What?
What's the brand of the one we got now? Which one? The chef now.
James, is the little girl out here? Yeah, I picked her up.
That's it.
That's it, man. That took that risk.
See? Jump remover. And
I don't know if I'm too far away, but I didn't know if I was too far away or not. Good. I promise you, if you could see what I was thinking, that's what I was just about to say. As soon as we go to, I don't like shit. Like what? We look like suspects or some shit? Oh, there they go jump. Alright. Either that or he's trying to find a park because of that trailer.
True.